Hello, good afternoon. This is Niran Shrestha, Principal Sangla Tourism and Hotel Training Center. Today I come up with a new edition of my cooking training manual book, third edition. So it is just arrived from press. It is in my hand. So this is the one. So and before that I had two previous editions. This is the first edition and this one is the second edition, and now we got a new edition, that is third edition. This is one of the best seller book, recipe book, one of the best seller recipe book. The quality of this book in terms of paper, printing, designs are superb. This book can be used as a syllabus of many colleges also, BHM college also, or this book can be used as a course of study of many cooking training institute also. Now many cooking training institutes are using this book as a syllabus of their cooking package. So this book makes your learning easier, quicker, effective, and easier as well. I have made a video also, videos also based on the recipe of the book. This is the video. All videos based on the recipe on this book. So it makes your learning still easier and perfect. You can go to my YouTube channel for free access to my videos. This book has 177 pages excluding cover page, and this cost 900 rupees. But if you visit Shangri-La office, then you will get in only 700 rupees. You will be saving 200 rupees. And moreover, we give you some necessary counseling as well. And let me take this opportunity to introduce my another book, that is Shangri-La Bakery book. This is a handbook with 75 mouth-watering treats. Along with the video to make your learning easier. You can practice it at your home also. You don't need to come all the way to institute and pay a lot of money, but you can do it at your home itself. So very good luck to your learning. Thank you so much.